Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. The importance of software in today's business world is immense. The function of the organization is so complicated that it is difficult to handle it without software. Accounting has now taken on a dynamic form in the accounting of all activities. And to solve this problem, accounting software has been developed. So, in this video, we will learn 1. What are the types of accounting software? And 2. What are the modules of accounting software? Before starting, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. Types of accounting software. 1. Personal accounting. Personal accounting software is mainly aimed at home consumers, facilitating accounts payable type accounting activities, handling budgets, and simple account reconciliation at the market's cheap end. 2. Low-end market. Cheap application software allows most general business accounting functions to be performed at the low end of the business markets. Suppliers often serve a single domestic market, while larger suppliers provide separate solutions in each national market. Some products have major functionalities but are not considered compatible with generally accepted accounting principle or IFRS. Some low-end systems have neither sufficient safety nor audit trails. 3. Mid-market. The mid-market covers a wide range of business software that can meet multiple national accounting standards needs and enable multi-currency accounting. The applications may provide integrated or add-on management information systems in addition to general accounting functions, and may be geared towards one or more markets, for example with integrated or add-on accounting modules for projects. 4. High-end market. The most complex and expensive business accounting software is often part of a vast suite of software often referred to as Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, software. These frameworks usually have a very long time of implementation, sometimes in excess of 6 months. These systems are often simply a collection of functions that require substantial integration, configuration, and modification to even begin to resemble an accounting system. The benefit of a high-end solution is that such solutions are designed to support different processes for individual businesses because they are extremely scalable and can be customized to the exact company requirements. This typically comes at a considerable expense in terms of both resources and time to implement. 5. Hybrid solutions. As technology is evolving, software vendors were able to sell ever more sophisticated applications at lower prices. This platform supports businesses at various growth levels. Even small businesses require many of the features of mid-market and high-end software as they open multiple locations or grow in size. Furthermore, with more and more businesses moving overseas or enabling workers to take up their home office, many smaller clients need to coordinate several locations. Their choices are to hire software as a service or other programs that offer similar connectivity over the internet from different locations. 6. Software as a service accounting software. With the advent of faster computers and internet access, accounting software providers were able to build accounting software that was paid for at a monthly recurring charge rather than a higher upfront licensing fee. The pace at which this new business model was implemented has gradually risen to the point that legacy players were pressured to come out with their own online versions. I hope you have learned about the types of accounting software. Now we come to our second topic: what are the modules of accounting software? Modules of accounting software. 1. Core modules. These are core modules. 1. Accounts receivables. 2. Accounts payable. 3. General ledger. 4. Assets. 5. Billing. 6. Inventory. 7. Purchase order. 8. Sales order. 9. Bank book. 10. Cash book, etc. 2. Non-core modules. These are non-core modules. 1. Debt collection or outstanding. 2. Payment performance. 3. Expenses. 4. Payroll. 5. Journals. 6. Reports, etc. I think you're clear about what are the types of accounting software, what are the modules of accounting software. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.